20 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18. 3 goes into 2 how many times? 0 times, because our current dividend 2 is less than 3. So 0 times 3, 0 times 3 0. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down the next digit, 20. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 21, which is getter. So 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract, you are getting 2. So our answer is 0 6 means 6, remainder 2. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then convert this whole number 20 into decimal number. Taking decimal, then add any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20, again 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. Our remainder 2 is less than divisor, so our guessing number 6 is correct. Bring down another 0. 3 goes into 20, again 6 times. 6 times 3, which is 18. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. So 3 goes into 20, again 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. You can continue this process, but to mean this process is continuing, you can place here 3 dot. Since we have gotten 3 digit after decimal, we can stop the division process. So our answer is this. We can also write the answer placing bar over 6, 6.6 bar. This bar means this number 6 is repeating.